Here's a classic import, 1987 Porsche 924S. This vehicle has a 2.5 liter inline 4 that is paired with the optional rear-mounted 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in guards red, as you can see. Now, this vehicle spent its entire life up till about 3 years ago in Oklahoma. So this car has not seen winters, and it does show. You'll be able to check out the underside pics of this, interior pics, engine bay. I'll tell you where to take a look at those in a second. Paint. Now the car has 134,000 miles on it, and I'm going to go through what's been done on this car. Very well maintained car. The paint though, it does show where there's been some touch up. Previous owners picked up a few rock chips along the way, have touched it up. It doesn't show up a ton on red, but again, paint's in nice shape. There are some touch ups on it, but for the miles, very nice shape. Now, first of all, let's get the still pictures out of the way so you can go check out the underside, see what I'm talking about, tell this was a Southern car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you to our website where you can see the still pictures. You can also call us 507-386-1726. All right, so Clean Carfax spent its time with the original owner up till 2014, I believe it was. And again, Southern car. Now, as far as service work, what's been done to this? At 103,000 miles, Porsche specialists in Oklahoma rebuilt the engine. So the engine has about 30,000 miles on it. At 133,000, a new clutch, throwout bearing, timing belt, balance shaft belt, tie rod ends, shifter linkage and bushings, sunroof gears, rebuilt steering rack. Also, the air conditioning system has been evacuated, the R12 refrigerant, and recharged with Red Tech 12A and blows cold. So all those things were done at about 133,000 miles. Clutch, throwout bearing, timing belt, balance shaft belt, tie rod ends. And there are receipts. There is a folder of receipts for the things that were done. So well-maintained car. Also, by looking at the interior and doing the pics, appears to me front seat covers were replaced, and nice looking seat cover, looks good. Other than the interior having a Pioneer radio installed in it, appeared stock from what I could see. Now remember, we do consider trades. If you're living in the continental United States, we can sure assist with transportation. Financing is available, and this vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The 15-inch, they called these the phone dial wheels. I remember back in the day, if you think back to a telephone that old. They're fitted with an all-season Firehawk radial. They're in nice shape, and were recently checked, balance, alignment, and everything at a place called Auto Edge, which is just in the cities north of us. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, confirms that this car spent nearly its entire life in Oklahoma. And once again, those still pictures, so you can check out the engine bay. Check out the undersides, interior. Take your time looking through this car, because it is clean and well taken care of, and it shows. So the picture's uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have, and look up and down the side of this. Not much for dings, nicks, scratches. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, and we're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. And again, you can see how nice the condition of the seats are. Like I said, appears to me they have been recovered. Nice quality job. So let's go ahead and start this up. So there's your exact miles. You see at 134 or 723. Oil pressure gauge. AC controls. All right. Your roof opening. Sounds just like you'd expect out of a Porsche 924S. Headlights work well. Let me see if I can pop this hood one-handed. I think we'll be all right. Struts both work, pulling the hood up. See how nice and tidy and clean it is underneath there. I believe these were 151 cubic inches. You can hear how smooth that runs. So there you go, 1987 924S. Well-maintained Porsche. Makes somebody a nice car. A lot of miles left in it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, Insure assists you with the transportation of this car. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Any questions you may have when you call in or email.